Aromatherapy uses aromatic essential oils to enhance physical and emotional health. Essential oils are compounds extracted from plants. The oils capture the plant's scent and flavor, or essence. Unique aromatic compounds give each essential oil its characteristic essence. These oils are usually applied via massage, where the healing properties of the oils are released through the skin, olfactory, and limbic system. It may help manage pain, ease digestion, boost relaxation, relieve stress, aid in sleep, relieve respiratory problems, boost the immune system, reduce inflammation, reduce nausea, help you focus, to name a few. Aromatherapy is thought of as both an art and a science. Recently, aromatherapy has gained more recognition in the fields of science and medicine. Each essential oil has an array of unique healing properties, uses, and effects. Combining essential oils to create a synergistic blend creates even more benefits. There are over 90 essential oils to explore. A great time to take advantage of the soothing, calming benefits of Roman chamomile essential oil is at bedtime. Peppermint has a cooling effect when applied topically and may provide the feeling of open airways when inhaled. Lemon can be used to freshen the air and cleanse most hard surfaces effectively and naturally. It's also a great hangover cure. There's a fascinating history behind the discovery of essential oils and aromatherapy, the methods of extracting the plant essences and health benefits and uses of these powerful oils. Subscribe for more from a qualified therapeutic aromatherapist.